Hello everyone, welcome back to Arpita Sharma classes. This is the Hindu newspaper analysis for 12th of September 2022. तो आज है मंडे और आज हम द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर को अच्छे से एनालाइज करेंगे in detail. There are 4 to 5 very important articles that we are going to cover today in this newspaper analysis lecture. The first one is from page number 1. Arunachal villagers fight save forest. Again, a really important article. काफी important article है because it's from the perspective of your paper 3. The subject here is environment. Paper 3 में we have environment as the subject. This article is from that particular topic. So here in this article it has been highlighted that the residents of the Nyukmadong village, they have said that the Border Roads Organization, which is BRO, it has destroyed more than 80% of the 36 square kilometer forest without consultations or without giving them the compensation. So यहाँ पर इनका कहना है कि BRO ने हमारा 36 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर का फॉरेस्ट एरिया था, 80% उस एरिया को इन्होंने तबाह कर दिया है, ना कोई हमारे साथ कंसल्टेशन हुई, ना हमें कोई कॉम्पनसेशन दिया गया है. First, let us understand where is Nyukmadong village because this is important for prelims, and what is BRO, Border Road Organization. These two important pointers we have to understand from the perspective of prelims. So when we talk about the Nyukmadong village, it is in Arunachal Pradesh. That you have to remember, ये आपको पहला point याद रखना है. Second important point is that the Border Road Organization basically was conceived. It was an idea which was raised, which was established in 1960 by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Why it was established? So that the development of the roads in the north and northeastern border regions of the country can be carried out, and it is done under the Ministry of Defence. Now, right now, it works on the construction and development work of roads, airfields, tunnels, defense works, building projects, etc. That is all under Border Roads Organization. Now, the residents of Nyukmadong village, they are, right now protesting and fighting. Why? Because WWF, which is the Worldwide Fund for Nature, it had also declared this patch of land of 36 square kilometer forest as a community reserve forest. Now, why a patch of land is declared as a community reserve forest? Because of the rich biodiversity. And here the red listed, write it down, the red listed Indian red panda is also found. Okay, is also found in this area. So this area is biodiversity. From the perspective of biodiversity, this area is very important, and if BRO has destroyed more than 80% of this area, that is a huge, you can say, ब्लॉट इन इटसेल्फ. BRO ने अगर 80% इस एरिया का बिना कंसल्टेशन के और बिना कॉम्पनसेशन के अगर डिस्ट्रॉय किया है तो ये बहुत बड़ी गलत बात है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी सीरियस इशू. नाउ फ्रॉम प्रीलिम्स पर्सपेक्टिव व्हाट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड, द वर्ल्ड वाइड फंड फॉर नेचर एंड रेड पैंडा, रेड इंडियन पैंडा, ये दो पॉइंट्स अब यहाँ पर हमें पढ़ने हैं. सो दिस इज पॉइंट नंबर 3 and this is point number 4. Okay, first point was Nyukmadong village. Where is it? Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, then BRO, इसके बारे में हमने पढ़ लिया. Now WWF and Indian Red Panda. Now when we talk about the worldwide fund for nature, this is world's largest conservation organization which was established in 1961. Its headquarters are in Land, which is in Switzerland, and it's an international non-governmental organization. So the objective of WWF is to conserve world's biological diversity, to promote reduction of pollution and wasteful consumption, basically to reduce the human impact on environment, to preserve the wildlife, to ensure that the use of renewable natural resource is sustainable. Now there are different reports which are published by WWF. तो यहाँ पर this is also important for prelims. So कुछ reports भी हैं जो WWF publish करता है. For example, there is this, write it down, the Living Planet report. ठीक है, एक ये लिविंग प्लैनेट रिपोर्ट है जो WWF पब्लिश करता है. इट इज पब्लिश्ड एवरी 2 years, हर 2 साल में इस रिपोर्ट को पब्लिश किया जाता है. एंड इट हैज बीन पब्लिश्ड सिंस 1998. सो इट इज बेस्ड ऑन दी, राइट इट डाउन, it is based on the Living Planet Index. and also the ecological footprint calculation. The ecological footprint calculation and living planet index, these are the two parameters which the living planet report uses to publish the findings. Then यहाँ पर आपने पढ़ा होगा एक और report है, there is the earth hour report that is also published by WWF. Alright, तो ये आपको points यहाँ पर याद रखने हैं. Now when we talk about the Indian red panda, the red panda is a small reddish brown arboreal mammal. तो यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है that it is an arboreal mammal. ठीक है, please write it down. So it is the only living member of the genus Alurus. तो ये जो कैटेगरी है ना रेड पैंडा मैमल्स की, जिस जीनस से ये आते हैं, उनका ये इकलौता लिविंग मेंबर है. एंड इट इज ऑल्सो, राइट इट डाउन, द स्टेट एनिमल. इट इज द स्टेट एनिमल ऑफ सिक्किम. तो सिक्किम का स्टेट एनिमल भी माना जाता है ये. एंड इन द IUCN रेड लिस्ट इट इज इंडेंजर्ड. ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर प्रीलिम्स, प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. IUCN के रेड लिस्ट में ना इंडेंजर्ड है, सो प्लीज क्रिएट अ सेपरेट कॉपी फॉर ऑल दी स्पीशीज दैट यू स्टडी इन द लास्ट 1 year फ्रॉम योर एग्जाम डेट. And you have to note down what kind of mammal or what kind of species that is, उसका genus क्या है, कहीं का state animal तो नहीं है, IUCN red list में क्या उसकी category है. And it is endangered in the IUCN red list and also under schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972 it is protected. तो schedule 1 के तहत इसको protect किया जाता है. Where is it found? It is found in India. It is found in Nepal. It is found in Bhutan. All the northern mountains of Myanmar. म्यांमार के जितने भी नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन्स है वहां पाया जाता है. एंड इट इज फाउंड इन सर्दर्न चाइना ऑल्सो. Okay, and another important point, what kind of forest is does it live in? It lives in the mixed deciduous forest. तो ये कहाँ रहता है? Mixed deciduous forest में पाया जाता है, conifer forest में पाया जाता है. ठीक है, where there are dense you can say understories of bamboo trees. जहाँ पर bamboo trees आपको मिल जाए वहां पर आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पर रेड पैंडा भी पाया जाएगा. ऑलराइट, एंड रेड पैंडास हैव बीन रिपोर्टेड फ्रॉम 11 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स ऑफ अरुणाचल प्रदेश ऑल्सो. अरुणाचल प्रदेश के 11 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में भी पाया जाता है ये. इट इज प्रिज्यूम्ड टू होल्ड द लार्जेस्ट रेड पैंडा पॉपुलेशन इन द कंट्री इन अरुणाचल प्रदेश. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, दैट इज वाई दिस केस इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. इसीलिए ये केस जो है काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. Then there is this very important aspect of Arunachal Pradesh and part of Arunachal Pradesh that we should remember for prelims, which is the Sela Pass. It is the high altitude mountain pass. कहाँ पर पाया जाता है? अरुणाचल प्रदेश के तवांग और वेस्ट कामेंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में ये सेला पास पाया जाता है. This is another important point related to Arunachal Pradesh from the perspective of your prelims का examination. Okay. Now here remember I told you that WWF basically has declared this patch of land as community reserve forest. So what kind of community reserve forest are found in Arunachal Pradesh? तो अरुणाचल प्रदेश में ना आप यहाँ पर लिख लीजिए the sacred groves. The sacred groves, they are declared as, write it down, the community, they are declared as the community reserves by Wildlife Protection Amendment Act also and WWF also. Basically, what are these sacred groves? Write it down. These are communally, that is protected by community, communally protected forest. तो communities इसको protect करती हैं. ये communally protected forest होते हैं because they have certain kind of religious connotation. That is why they are protected. Many kind of rare, vulnerable, endemic species are found which have medicinal and economic value in these kind of groves. Okay, that is why it's not good to cut these areas, and BRO basically has destroyed 80% of this area, and that is why it has been in news. Okay. Now the next very important article is India raises objection to Pakistan's F-16 refit. Abhi we know that US is approved of helping Pakistan to in the upgradation of the F-16 refit fighter jets. So now this is a big challenge because Pakistan is taking that help from USA in the name of countering terrorism or fighting terrorism, but the hidden motive here is to use those fighter jets against India, which has been taken up. This issue has been taken up by many experts and many people who are criticizing Pakistan's decision of upgrading this Pakistan F-16 fighter jets. तो ऐसे काफी criticism निकल कर आ रही है, जिसके अंदर ये कहा जा रहा है कि पाकिस्तान बोल तो ये रहा है कि हम ये F-16 फाइटर जेट्स को अपग्रेड करेंगे यूएस की मदद से ताकि हम टेररिज्म के अगेंस्ट लड़ सके, बट एक्चुअली में ये इंडिया के अगेंस्ट ही यूज किया जाना बेसिकली मोटिव ये है कि इंडिया के अगेंस्ट यूज करेंगे. तो दिस इज अ बिग स्टेप इफ यूएसए हैज अप्रूव्ड दिस राइट ऑफ हेल्पिंग पाकिस्तान टू upgrade this kind of fighter jet made in Pakistan or being used by Pakistan. That is a huge step, ठीक है, and that is a very huge वार्निंग ऑल्सो फॉर इंडिया. तो यहाँ पर इंडिया ने ना ऑब्जेक्शन रेज किया है. इंडिया फाइनली रेज्ड ऑब्जेक्शन टू पाकिस्तान F-16 फाइटर जेट. नाउ हियर ब्लैक पैंथर फाइटर जेट्स आर ऑल्सो इन न्यूज. So this question can be framed in your prelims examination. Black Panther fighter jets are in news. They are related to which of the following countries' aircraft carrier? Australia, India, China or Japan. Now we know that Black Panther fighter jets, they are made in Russia. Okay, and the aircraft has been in service with the Indian Air Force for decades. तो यहाँ पर आप पता है करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा. Alright. Now do you remember that this F-16 aircraft was also in news when Wing Commander Abhinandan Varthaman he shot down a Pakistani F-16 jet before being captured by people on the other side of the border. So this has been in news since many years. काफी सालों से ये जो F-16 जेट है ये न्यूज में रहा है, बिकॉज दिस F-16 is a, write it down, it is a lightweight, simple and relatively cheap aircraft and it is becoming very popular right now. It also has, write it down, it also has a fly-by-wire control system. इसमें एक फ्लाई बाय वायर कंट्रोल सिस्टम भी है, which is its most innovative feature. That means unlike in a normal aircraft where the pilot moves a control stick or a wheel connected to the aircraft's elevator, in an F-16 the pilot gives electronic inputs through the control stick and which is read by the computer that moves the control surfaces. That is why it's very innovative kind of aircraft. ओके तो यहाँ पर इसीलिए ये आपका न्यूज में है, तो ये पॉइंट आपको यहाँ पर याद रखना है. सो दिस वाज ऑल फॉर टुडे. ये आपके बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल्स थे. बाकी देयर आर 2 more आर्टिकल्स व्हिच आई विल शेयर विद यू. This is another important article. Adopt a TB patient drive finds Mitras. बहुत important article है because it's important not just for your essay paper but also for GS paper 1, for your ethics paper. Now basically Union Health Ministry ने adopt a TB patient drive launch किया है wherein community participation now is being encouraged in India's fight towards eliminating tuberculosis by 2025. It is Nikshay Mitra initiative. ये Nikshay Mitra initiative they can ask you this in prelims examination also. Nikshay Mitra, it is an initiative launched by which ministry? Write it down. Union Health Ministry. इस point को लिख लीजिए. This is important for prelims. Then they will ask you this Nikshay Mitra basically why it is implemented. It is implemented to eradicate TB by 2025. It's a community participation drive which Union Health Ministry has started so that TB can be eliminated. तो इसको डिटेल में समझ लेते हैं कि ये निक्षय मित्रा इनिशिएटिव है क्या. Alright. Now when we talk about the Nikshay Mitra, it enables peoples or institutions to adopt tuberculosis patients and take care of their nutritional and medicinal needs. TB patients को adopt किया जाएगा लोगों के द्वारा, ठीक है. इस particular initiative में उनके medicinal और nutritional needs का ध्यान रखा जाएगा. The economic burden of TB in terms of loss of lives, incomes, it's very substantial, ठीक है. So it's a basically it is based on, write it down, the crowdfunding model. तो लोगों का पार्टिसिपेशन, तो बेसिकली इट विल रेज द एम्पैथी लेवल आल्सो इन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, लोगों में एम्पैथी लेवल भी इस इनिशिएटिव से बढ़ेगा, ठीक है। एंड देयर विल बी, राइट इट डाउन, अ निक्षय पोर्टल 2.0 which will be established, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर टेक्नोलॉजी का सपोर्ट भी रहेगा to support people who have been affected by TB. So the minimum period of commitment for providing the support to the TB patient will be 1 year. तो अगर आप निक्षय मित्रा बनते हो, किसी टीबी पेशेंट को अडॉप्ट करते हो, उसके न्यूट्रिशनल मेडिसिनल नीड्स का ध्यान रखते हो, तो मिनिमम कमिटमेंट आपको 1 साल का देना पड़ेगा। एंड द डोनर्स इंक्लूड कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटीज, ठीक है, इंडिविजुअल डोनर्स आर ऑल्सो देयर, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज कैन ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेट, नॉन गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस एक्सेट्रा। ओके, तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट इनिशिएटिव्स है फॉर प्रीलिम्स 2023। यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर द इंपॉर्टेंट इनिशिएटिव्स ऑल्सो, ठीक है। यहाँ तक पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया? वेरी गुड। So this was all for today. ये था आपका 15 minutes का newspaper analysis for today. All the important articles we have covered. So I hope you have understood the important articles and please keep on revising the current affairs.